On this episode of Trek and Beyond, I'll be going to Chengdu in Sichuan province, China. Chengdu not only offers many things to do in the city, but you can also take amazing day trips outside of the city as well. Qingshan Mountain, which is considered the birthplace of Taoism, and Mount Yimaishan Scenic Area, including Lishan Giant Buddha, which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Chengdu is an officially recognized UNESCO City of Gastronomy. It is UNESCO's first ever city of gastronomy in Asia. Some famous dishes include Sichuan hot pot, mapu tofu, which is bean curd, Sichuan dumplings in chili oil, and dan dan noodles. Sichuan food is famous for its hot and spicy flavor. For the most part, it all contains Sichuan peppers and chili peppers. Be prepared to experience a different kind of Chinese language when visiting Sichuan. The dialect is known as Sichuanese and is sometimes difficult to understand and tell apart. Home to the Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding. The giant panda is a Chinese national treasure and is one of the rarest animals in the world. Visit Chengdu during the fall for the best experience. You avoid the hot, sweltering summers, which include many tourists. You also avoid the gloomy winters and the rainy season in the spring. I found the weather in October-November to be the most comfortable. After visiting my best friend in the Philippines, I'll be traveling from Cebu to Kunming in Yunnan Province, China, which I will transfer and then continue on to Chengdu, Sichuan to continue my adventure. People I met in the hostel were going out for food, but this is like a Tibetan street. My hostel is just like on the other side of the street. Many Tibetans live in an area south of Wuho Temple in an area called Tibetan Quarters, or sometimes referred to as Little Lhasa. This area is filled with Tibetan culture and I would definitely recommend visiting it when in Chengdu. The Tibetan Quarters are vibrant with shops, food, and monks walking the streets in their robes. The restaurants serve traditional Tibetan food made from their domestic yak. Some of the area may seem it is for tourists, but most of the people shopping and eating are locals. The best place to start is in front of Wuho Temple, and from there just head south to the Tibetan Quarters. You can spend most of the morning or afternoon exploring the area. We're in the market now. We're gonna get some food and vegetables because we're gonna cook some stuff. We're gonna learn some Chinese food from this guy. Just got some chicken. Hi. There's like the fresh noodles there, made by that machine. There's vegetables. There's more noodles. Ginger. All very fresh stuff here. It's pretty local. It's lotus roots. Looks all very fresh. What is this? I don't know this one. What's this? Wasm. Oh, sausage. Sausage. Pork. Oh, it's just all like hanging there. And they just like touch it and stuff. Nice, interesting market here. A lot of fresh stuff. There's my friends from the hostel. Pretty funny people, very friendly, very generous. Just have a really nice time with them. Really nice people. Look at all this sausage and meat. It's crazy. Oh. And she's just sleeping there. Duck! Duck! They still left like the foot with the hair of the rabbit, but then it's like so cute. Yes, very very cute. But oh man, that's weird. Spices. Dried Sichuan peppers. Spices. It's a Sichuan peppercorn. Red peppercorn. I don't know the names of these, but I know they use it in all the cooking here. This is all very spicy. Yes. Spicy, yeah. During my stay in Chengdu, I met a cook who was also staying in my hostel. I had the great opportunity to watch him cook some Sichuanese food and learn some dishes from him. First, we spent the afternoon shopping at a local market for meat, vegetables, tofu, and Sichuan spices. This was such an amazing experience that I will never forget. From preparing the food to sitting down and eating it together with friends, drinking and enjoying the evening. Chance to go in the kitchen. I met a chef here in the hostel and he was telling me how to like do some of the Chinese dishes, and like I got to watch him and stuff, so that was a really cool experience. And now I get to taste it and eat it. As a chef, that was like really cool. Just going to another country and also seeing that. My last night in Chengdu, just walking with my buddies, just checking out some last minute things we can do, just taking a walk, relaxing. Some guys fishing here. This is the fish. Whoa, very big. He's gonna show us what he caught in there. Wow. 这个要拿回去吃吗？这个肯定的，这个鱼好吃。It's delicious. Yeah. Wow. Oh. Oh. 给你吃，给你吃。People are like once again in love with these trees everywhere. It's like beautiful color. The yellow is like a gold. Just want to kind of show what people hanging out here on the street. What the life is like here every day. One of my favorite things to do in Chengdu was to walk the streets with the people I met in my hostel. They showed me so many local restaurants, parks, and places that I would never find by myself. During our walk in the park, we came across a group of people dancing. To our surprise, they invited us and made us dance with them. Chengdu is one of my favorite cities in the world, with some of the best food I have ever eaten and some of the most friendly people I have ever met. This is from Xinjiang, yeah? Xinjiang, this bread. And they just make it here. And he just shoves it in there. This bread is so delicious. It's so good. Duck head. How do you say it in Chinese? Huh? Yatou. They want me to try it, but I don't know if I should. I must try it. They say I must try it. Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna try it. This one. These bikes are here everywhere. You can just find them on the street and use your phone to like unlock this part. And you just scan with your phone and I guess pay a little bit of money and you get them and drive them anywhere you want in the city and just drop them off anywhere you want. And you just see them everywhere in the city. So anywhere you want to like stop, you just drop the bike off and then you're good to go. It's the first time I've tried one of these, so we're gonna ride them now.